to communicate to world community that Pakistan is the state which sponsor, patronize terrorism. It's a state policy. India now knows it is all sponsored by the Pakistani state and army. And they are not going to do anything with that. Every 2-3 years, every year, they will have some or other activity. So we will respond accordingly.
To dispel the Pakistani misinformation campaign which has been going on Operation Sindoor, Government of India has decided to send selected member of parliaments abroad. These members of parliaments have been selected by the government, keeping in mind the area of expertise. So many delegations are going across to many countries. I'm joined by National Working President of Janata Dal United, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Jha, who will also be visiting some countries. Welcome, sir, speaking to Indian Express. Thank you so much that you are speaking to Indian Express. What is the material evidence that your delegation or delegation in other countries which are also visiting are carrying with you?
Thank you very much. We are thankful to Prime Minister Mr. Modi. We are leaving today for Japan, South Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. We have been briefed yesterday, and largely it's a new normal which India has started. The government has started. We have been facing this terrorism for so many decades. We have been giving them all the materials relating to their call details, DNA, everything, right? Even in 2008 and other Pulwama attack and everything. But they have done nothing. So if you give materials to thief, the state which are involved in, जो खुद ही सारे चीजों में involved है, इसको sponsor करने में, इसको train करने में, you can't expect from them to do anything. So it is very much clear about it. One. Second, enough is enough. So no more. If something happens, that we will go attack deep inside. That is what, not to civilian, not to military, but the terrorist camp, which 9 camp has been destroyed by the Indian Army or Air Force.
Bilkul. Sir, Ministry of External Affairs Foreign Secretary Mr. Vikram Misri had briefed you people in Parliament. उसमें बताया जा रहा था some DNA samples and dossiers also you people would be carrying.
We'll get some papers, maybe when we'll reach there in Tokyo or maybe in the airport. Some material will be given. That was what we were told. But larger issue is to communicate to world community that Pakistan is the state which sponsor, patronize terrorism. It's a state policy. And wherever, it is not only India, wherever terrorist activity happened in the world, some or other links are there in Pakistan. Why all the terrorists we find in Pakistan? So that message has to go, and India has been facing for long. One. And second, India has been facing, and now India has decided if something happens, that we know that it's a proxy war, we will, accordingly, we will retaliate and will also respond.
So Indus Water Treaty also is a main contention as far as India and Pakistan is concerned. तो इस पर आप लोग क्या मैसेज लेकर जा रहे हैं?
देखिए, इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी में का जो प्रियम्बल है, प्रियम्बल itself said कि दोनों कंट्री के बीच में it should be friendly cooperation everything. कौन सा friendly cooperation बचा दोनों के बीच में? One. Second, अब पूरा का पूरा क्लाइमेट चेंज हो गया, वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी चेंज हो गया, पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो गया, सबकी जरूरतें अपने हिसाब से हो गई. वो तो एक तरह से रिडंडेंट हो गया ट्रीटी, और काफी दिनों से उस पर चर्चा भी हो रही है. इट इज नॉट न्यू, इट नीड टू बी रिवाइज्ड. जिस पर्पस के लिए किया गया था वो पर्पस तो कुछ बचा नहीं, और यहाँ भी जरूरत है, और ग्लेशियर मेल्ट कर रहा है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. तो ऑब्वियसली इंडिया अपने हिसाब से उसको जो भी करना है वहां पर करेगी. एक मैंने बताया कि जो कल के ब्रीफिंग में ही बात आई, इट इज नॉट India had stopped it. India has been trying to talk to them since last 2-3 years कि भाई we need to revive this treaty. And किस जब कोई friendly और cooperation बचा ही नहीं तो किस बात का treaty?
Sir, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been stressing that Operation Sindoor is the new normal and Pakistan should watch its step. So, what was the briefing on this point that you were, asked to convey to the other countries, India's point of view on this new normal?
India's point of view, new normal, that as I told you, that India had been facing this activity since last 4 decades, largely. And India has been always trying to communicate, pursue, trying to engage them, giving them, as I told you, every details, even the IC-814 hijacking, the Jaise Mohammed guy. So they are all sponsored by the Pakistani state. Even the government is there in Pakistan. It's formed by the army only. They are the one who are supported and formed the government. It is not a democratic elected government there. So the issue is that India now knows it is all sponsored by the Pakistani state and army. And they are not going to do anything with that. Every 2-3 years, every year, they will have some or other activity. So we will respond accordingly. Things have changed. India is no more. There is no more there to just in the receiving end. We will hit back.
So this goodwill mission is for how many days? If you can just tell us that how many MPs are totally, selected by the government and for how many days?
It's for 10 days. And in my group, we are 9 people, 8 MPs and 1 foreign service.
So from opposition party, who all are there, sir?
Yeah. From opposition party, from big party. So altogether, we are 9 people we are traveling to these countries.
Sir, Bharatiya Janata Party is also taking out these Tiranga Yatras in many states. So what is the significance of Tiranga Yatras? Do you think it will benefit in forthcoming Bihar elections? Because Bihar elections are due sometime this year only.
Since it is there in all over the country, Bihar election is, you have seen in the parliament election also, people there in Delhi always assume that बिहार में तो पता नहीं नीतीश कुमार का रिजल्ट क्या होगा, लेकिन टाइम एंड अगेन वी प्रूव कि हम लोग काम के बदौलत ही वहां लेते रहे हैं. एंड अभी जो रिजल्ट हुआ दैट प्रूव्ड आल्सो वी हैव बाय इलेक्शन आल्सो in 4 places after parliament election we had by election. 3 was with opposition, we won all 4. So Bihar people are very smart, they know whom to vote now.
Absolutely.
So that is not an issue.
Sir, what Rahul Gandhi has been saying about, all allegations which are coming from the Congress camp side, that Rahul Gandhi has been asking questions to the Minister of External Affairs. What do you have to say about the politics which the Congress party is doing?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है बिल्कुल गलत है. जब इंडियन साइड के जो व्हाट आई रीड इन न्यूज़पेपर, डीजीएमओ ने या ब्रीफिंग कर दिया था वेल बिफोर, और वही बात को जयशंकर जी बोले, अब उसको पॉलिटिसाइज करके पॉइंट स्कोर करना, जबकि पूरा देश इस इशू पर एक है. ऑल अपोजिशन पार्टीज वन. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is sending all these delegation, taking every party representative in this delegation. So sending message outside that India is one when it comes to India's security. उस समय ये करना, I think no one will appreciate it.
So what about India Alliance? There is khalbali in India Alliance camp also as to whether they will come together in Bihar or not. Mr. Chidambaram said that India Alliance is no more. However, when I spoke to RJD national spokesperson, Mr. Manoj Jha, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि बिल्कुल it's alive. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जमीनी हकीकत क्या है?
Is there any India Alliance? Is there? I don't think there is alliance. Since when we left India Alliance, उसी दिन खत्म हो गया था India Alliance. When Nitish Kumar left India Alliance in 2024 January, Alliance since he was the one who initiated, gone all over the place and get everyone in board. The day he left India Alliance, उस दिन India Alliance खत्म हुआ. What happened in Delhi? कहाँ रह गया India Alliance?
सर एक आखिरी सवाल, जो टीएमसी ने कल बोला पहले कि हम नहीं जाएंगे, फिर बोला कि हम जाएंगे, इस राजनीति के ऊपर आपका क्या कहना है?
नहीं, मैं इस पर नहीं करूंगा कोई टिप्पणी। अभिषेक बनर्जी जी हमारे टीम में हमारे साथ जा रहे हैं, टीएमसी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मेरे साथी हैं, इसी टीम में चल रहे हैं।
तो शुक्रिया सर इंडियन एक्सप्रेस से बात करने के लिए। उम्मीद की जानी चाहिए कि ये जो गुडविल मिशन है अच्छी तरह से बाहर के मुल्कों को समझा पाएगा कि इंडिया का नया स्टैंड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है और न्यू नॉर्मल क्या है। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।